Happy Friday! We made it another week down. Today, I am very proud of you because you are an inventor. So, if you kept up with the week's assignment, you are just developing a new something, a new piece of technology, a new app, something that can be in our lives and would help us survive or would allow us to facilitate a certain task. Two students texted me wonderful examples, and I'm going to share those with you. The first one, it is very detailed as you can see. It tells me not one way, but three ways that her invention can help. It also tells me what needs it is meeting, and she actually has a drawing of her invention. So, have any of you gone to the movie theater? You drink a lot of your Coke, your water, your juice, whatever it is that you're having, and you have the urge to go use the toilet. So, what she did is she thinks it'd be a great idea to have a mini tablet, iPad, a mini screen on the actual floor so that as you are taking care of business, you are not missing out on your movie. I thought that was really, really cool, and that had never even run through my mind. The second one that I want to share with you guys is this example right here. So many of us have heard of service dogs. So those are dogs that help, people that have hearing impairments, so that could be deaf or don't hear very well, and many other reasons. But Miracle's example here, she texted me and said that it's basically like a robot. That's what I understood. So you tell the dog anything and it can help you do whatever it is that you need help with. So I thought that was really cool. But regardless, I'm going to go ahead and check on everybody's assignments, anything you submitted through Google Classroom, or if you've texted me, I'm going to look through all those texts. I'm getting a lot of feedback, and I'm very proud of you for keeping up and for really trying. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your effort. I hope you have a great weekend, and if you haven't been able to finish this yet, the day's not over yet. It's only 3. Go ahead and finish. Thank you for your effort. Have a good weekend.